Hey there, I'm Jordan from Wix University. Welcome to our Wix Studio course. Wix Studio is our premier website builder and collaborative workspace, powerful enough for enterprises and agencies. But with its no-code, fully responsive design tools, AI assistants, and ready-to-use business solutions, it's just as empowering for solo entrepreneurs, small businesses, and anyone ready to create a stunning, professional site that looks and functions beautifully on any device. In this course, I'll take you from beginner to pro as we build out a responsive landing page together. We'll begin with a walkthrough of the editor to help you feel comfortable navigating and building within it. As we build, you'll learn about layout tools and responsive behaviors, ensuring your site looks great on any screen. And we'll dive into built-in animations and interactions to bring your site to life. By the end of this course, you'll be a pro and you'll have a website to prove it. Even better, I'll show you how you can earn an industry-accredited certification along with a digital badge so you can showcase your new skills on your LinkedIn, resume, and digital portfolio. So if you're ready to start building professional, responsive websites using Wix Studio, you are in the right place. I'll see you in the first lesson. Let's make you a pro.